Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I am going to work with some napkins and cling wrap today. So I have actually the second ply of a napkin that I thought was gorgeous, and so I want to see if I can put this down. See which way. Yeah, this side's darker. Okay. And I had, oh, there was a little yellow, there it is. I was going to say there was a little yellow butterfly. And I want this, I'm glad that it's very light. And I want it for my, April journal, for one of the pages inside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down some cling wrap. I just have the clear plastic wrap, Shopper's Value. I don't know where it came from. Try to get this as flat as I can. Put this down. Okay. If I get this kind of straight on here, I might be able to do a second page. Now, I don't know how well this is going to turn out because it is the inside piece from this napkin. Okay? I didn't have a paper that was, oh, you know what? I do want to cut the napkin because I don't want to lose napkin just because it's stuck to the stuck to the extra. Okay, so there, because if I can do a half sheet also of this to use for tags or something, I think that'll be wonderful. So I have this blue paper that I'm going to go ahead and put down, and I want to make sure that it is covering all of the cellophane. Okay, and then I have my iron on cotton, and I'm going to go ahead and just go back and forth. And you can't see it this time, but the cling wrap actually does shrink underneath the napkin. And what I love about this is the way the paper ends up feeling. That's why I love doing this. I think the paper feels amazing. Come over here to this edge, and you see it is scorching this paper. And let's see how we did. So far, so good. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, come down here to the paper. And I'll cut this all off. But that is going to be a paper for in my journal, and I love it. If I think that it needs any more, I can come and go over it again. It feels amazing. It does have the line from the napkin, but I'm okay with that. And so there's that. So I think I'll go ahead and grab a half sheet and do this other piece real quick while you're here. So here's the half sheet. that I have. And here is the napkin that we have left. I'm gonna look and see if there's any more butterflies anywhere. I don't see any. Oh, there's one there. Okay, I like this. This is pretty dark over on this side. So, okay, so let's go ahead, grab some more cling wrap. And I will, because I'm also been sewing on everything in this particular journal that I'm working on, I will go ahead and sew around this. Oh, I made it the size of a full sheet. Oh well. That's okay. Okay, so we just go ahead, pull it out. So there is a gray ground squirrel out there in my backyard. Brr. Of course, I just planted my garden. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go with that right there. I'm gonna get this out of the way because I don't want it to end up on anything. Go ahead and make sure that's down. Cover this. So this is the napkin that I used in the guest book that I made for the funeral. And so using all the pieces, so I'll probably go ahead and also do some of those carrots maybe that I've done on the carrot napkin. I'll check out, see what other napkins I have that I might want to do for upcoming things. So there, that gives me a smaller piece. You know, I like, and then this I'll just go ahead and throw that away. Pull this up off of the parchment. I have parchment paper here underneath. Okay, and see, this part's all easy to get up until you get over to where last time's thing was. And so I'll just come in and I will clean up the edges just like this. And that's going to give me two beautiful papers. And oh my gosh, if you haven't done this, it feels like linen paper. So I also have done this with fabric. I did pillows on my DIY channel, and I will put that video at the end of this video, and I'll put my other cling wrap video at, because I've done this before. I've done it on fabric for journals. I've done it on paper. I did it for the bird journal, actually. The beautiful bird journal that is available now in the Etsy shop. I just finished it, so it's finally finished. But I think these are going to be gorgeous in the, and you know, sometimes gorgeous in the April All About That base journal that I'm making. I'm using the Mother's Day digital kit from Dear Julie Etsy shop. Okay, so this corner needs a little attention. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and go around it. I'm going to stitch around it too, I think. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we'll have a large page and a small page. And I am using that napkin in the, as one of my extra things for decorating in the journal. So there, that is what we have. This one has a little yellow butterfly, just really faint right there. The yellow butterfly up over here, and this little butterfly. So there's that. This is the original, the top part of the napkin, and this napkin that I put on here was underneath. So I think I'm going to go ahead and fold this right on that fold line from the napkin. And this can go as a page into the journal. I love it. And then this one can also go as a page into the journal. It might even be able to go in as a fancy fold. I'll have to see what I need in there. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you will try cling wrap and your napkins. Real quick, I'll show you how to take the plies apart. Okay, so I have the cute little napkin with the bunnies, and you can either just go ahead and get your finger a little damp, and I can go ahead and pull it apart like that and be able to grab it, or you can use tape and put tape on the back piece. This one is only 2-ply, so I only have to take off the one back ply piece. Okay, so, and there's my napkin. And then we can look at this one. It doesn't go through onto the second one. But what happened was this one is that second piece from there. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye. She flew out, so I'm checking it out, and look, we have little eggs. Oh, so cool.